feeling bloated, tired, or out of sync, there's one natural food that can rebalance your gut fast, and it's probably already in your fridge. Gut health is the foundation of overall wellness, and there's one natural food that can restore it faster than most people realize: sauerkraut. This humble fermented cabbage is packed with probiotics, prebiotics, antioxidants, and gut-healing compounds that support digestion, reduce inflammation, and balance your microbiome in just a few days. If you struggle with bloating, irregularity, or poor digestion, adding just a few forkfuls of raw, unpasteurized sauerkraut to your daily routine can make a powerful difference. In this video, we'll break down exactly how sauerkraut heals the gut, why it works so quickly, and how to get the most out of it, so you can feel better, fast. There's one food that stands out when it comes to quickly improving your gut health. And it's not a supplement. It's not a detox drink. It's something simple, natural, and incredibly powerful: fermented foods. And at the top of the list is sauerkraut. Yes, sauerkraut, fermented cabbage. May not sound glamorous, but it's one of the most effective gut-healing foods on the planet. Here's why. When cabbage is fermented, it becomes rich in beneficial bacteria called probiotics. These are the same live microorganisms that live in your intestines and keep your gut balanced and healthy. By eating sauerkraut, you're introducing billions of these friendly bacteria directly into your digestive system. Once inside, these probiotics go to work fast. They help crowd out harmful bacteria. They strengthen the lining of your gut. And they play a vital role in producing short-chain fatty acids, compounds that reduce inflammation, improve nutrient absorption, and even support brain health. Within just a few days of adding sauerkraut to your diet, many people notice less bloating, better digestion, and more regular bowel movements. That's because the balance of bacteria in your gut begins to shift. And that balance affects everything from your immune system to your mood. But the benefits don't stop there. Sauerkraut also contains prebiotic fibers, the fuel that feeds your existing good bacteria. It's like planting seeds and watering them at the same time. And because it's made from cabbage, sauerkraut is also rich in antioxidants and compounds that support liver detox and reduce oxidative stress in your gut. The best part? You don't need much. Just a few forkfuls a day can make a real difference. Look for unpasteurized refrigerated sauerkraut, the kind that still contains live cultures. The shelf-stable versions are usually heat-treated, which kills the probiotics. Of course, sauerkraut isn't the only fermented food that works. Kimchi, kefir, miso, and kombucha all offer benefits. But sauerkraut is one of the most accessible and gut-friendly options to start with. Your gut is at the center of your overall health. And when it's out of balance, everything suffers. But with just one food, you can begin to turn that around. It's simple, it's powerful, it's natural, and it starts with sauerkraut. Your gut affects everything, from digestion to mood to immunity. And sometimes, the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones. If you're ready to take your gut health seriously, start small. A few bites of sauerkraut a day can help you feel lighter, clearer, and more energized, naturally. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a gut reset. Your health starts in your gut, and it starts today. Thanks for watching, and take care of your gut.